On the serious note, why is it always the iPhones that are freaking disgusting? Like, dude, what is that? And you thought this was bad? Check this out. That is freaking gross. I don't even know what that is. I'm like scared to even scrape it off. That's freaking disgusting. Let's take this crap off. Yeah, that's caked on there. I don't know what that is. I'm surprised this switch is still working too, because I can feel it vibrate when I flip it back and forth. But I'm gonna clean all this off. So I can't spend too much time cleaning. I do this for free, okay? I don't charge people for me to clean their phones, okay? But I should. I mean, look at that. That's caked on there. Pretty. I don't even know what it is. It's probably poop. And here she is, all cleaned up. It's not perfect, but a lot of this stuff wasn't coming off, and I don't have enough time to fully clean it. Again, I don't charge people for this, so yeah. But keep your phones clean, people.